Good day to be inside too. It's not going to be as, I guess, nice as it was, say. Temperatures pretty much spot on average, 66 degrees for high, 44 for the low, just 1 degree off our average high. And temperatures are going to go below average for a pretty good stretch coming up here over the next several days. High temperatures earlier today, mid to upper 60s for a lot of us, low 70s down to our south. And look at this off to our west. It was in the upper 70s and low 80s. This air mass is heading toward us right now, and then it's going to quickly move off to our east tomorrow. So not a big warm up. In fact, temperatures will be dropping pretty quickly tomorrow afternoon. Live look right now from the Methodist Women's Hospital off to the east. Clouds over Omaha, 59 degrees. East winds now starting to pick up a little bit more at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. But again, we have that incredibly dry dew point of 25 degrees. That's helped to kind of eat away at some of these showers and thunder showers that are pushing toward eastern Nebraska as we go through the next few hours. Some thunder showers right now from about Wisner, Beamer, Stanton, all the way down through southern Madison, northern Platte County, and a pretty good line of storms, including a couple of strong, severe thunderstorms around Kearney. Those will continue to push to the east. You can see that there's a good deal of lightning there, and they'll probably rumble through the Omaha metro between about 1 and 3 in the morning. But this storm system, it's going to be a quick mover, and there's more moisture back behind that. And some of that moisture is going to fall as snow off to our north and east. Again, if you were planning on traveling into any of these areas north and east of Nebraska and far northeast Iowa, winter storm warnings in the pink. Cities like Dubuque, Madison, Milwaukee, and the northern burbs of Chicago. We're just going to see a lot of strong winds here. A wind advisory in effect south and west of the Omaha metro tomorrow for wind gusts 45 to 50 miles an hour. Initially, they're going to be warm winds out of the south, keeping us in the mid-50s tomorrow morning. 54 by noon, but those temperatures on the way down with northwest winds tomorrow afternoon, falling into the upper 40s and low 50s. And off to our north, there could be a little bit of light rain as well. You can see this area of low pressure quickly moving through. There's noon. Winds turning around to the northwest, blustery, cloudy, kind of unpleasant. High pressure builds in late Saturday night, and with a clear sky for most of the night, temperatures are going to fall into the low and mid 30s. So frost is possible Saturday night into early Sunday. Make sure you keep an eye on the forecast tomorrow. I'll be back in. I'll let you know if you need to cover up those plants. But we're only up to 59 on Sunday with late day thunder showers, 58 dry on Monday, and still in the low to mid 50s with better rain chances coming up Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. We don't even get back to average weather until maybe by Friday.